Hi guys, this is the Fascinator YouTuber. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Let's roll the intro. So, we are back to the video. Today, I'm going to show you 5 hairstyles for your receding hairline. As you can see, I also have a large forehead, somewhat a level 1 on the Norwood scale. Let's begin. The first hairstyle is the side swept hair. To achieve this look, you can simply comb your hair with a part on the side using a wide toothed comb and give the other side a bit of volume and texture. These waves will help you cover up the sides of your receding hairline. For the next look, you will need a comb and preferably wet hair. This is the classic side part which I am going to show you. As similar to the previous hairstyle, you may wanna cover up one side of your receded hairline. This look is inspired by David Beckham, who also sports a receding hairline and big forehead. This is the classiest hairstyle of all time. Coming to the third hairstyle, the forward fringe. This style includes beating your hair down as well as giving it a texture. The best thing about this hairstyle is that it covers up your whole frontal hairline. This gives a messy bedded hair look which is very desirable nowadays. A little bit of texturizing with your fingers and you are ready to go. If you have shorter hair, you can try something like the hairstyle below. The fourth hairstyle would be the messy spikes. If you desire, you can also try other version of this hairstyle like going shorter on top or even getting an undercut. The undercut would work best for you if your hair like density on top. This style works best when provided volume. You can play with your hair while doing this hairstyle and see what works for you. You can use the sides to cover up your receded hairline. Sorry if I'm making you sleep, but I understand that not everyone's first language is English, so I've slowed myself down in this video. Fifth hairstyle is the messier version of the side swept. This works by providing more volume to the hairstyle. All the hairs are pushed in one direction as to cover up the receded spots. Do not confuse this hairstyle with these comb overs. All the hairstyles I've shown will only work if you are in the early stages of balding to cover up the spots and make your hair look fuller. Hope you like this video, give a big thumbs up. See you next time. Till then, stay classy.